Do you want anything else? Do you want
like
do you want a steak with that?
You want like a dancing girl or anyone we can bring over here for you?
Oh, there it is.
Wait, blew the whistle. All right. Hey, give me that knife. Give me that knife.
Right here.
Get a knife. Get it. All right.
Wow, you already got one, dude.
Hey, watch out for the one guy. Give him right in there.
Out.
You're out?
No, he's out.
Yeah, I know, I got him. Trying to fucking lit his ass up. Yeah, I got him.
Hey! Oh, there's a guy over there. I got one at the building. Shoot him, he's next to the corner.
I know, I'm trying. I don't know how to fucking hit him.
That was the hostage.
Well, you have to block, right? Hit him over the head.
Put your sock in his mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Behind the truck. Way over there. You could keep going, dude. I'm staying here. I'm staying here, yeah. Yeah, moving up a little bit. You guys coming.
Hey, is that our guy back there? Hey, over there? Where in the back?
Look behind you! Alright, now they're starting to come.
There's like 3 or 4 over there now.
Yeah, they're coming now.
I don't know where the hell goes. They're probably dead somewhere. I was really dropping so.
We're inside the building.
Hey! You know we got guys coming up?
I told him, I
From the
don't...
back. Bar building.
On your rear!
Oh, is that Nelson?
Yeah.
Oh, is that...
Check your rear!
We're like 3 or 4 minutes left. You want to go and get some fun now? Whoa! You're trying to do that. You see that?
I think I might be out of battery.
Yeah, dude, save it. Here, I'll go.
You come over here. Switch.
Nobody in there.
They're in the building.
Oh,
Yeah, they're poking their heads out.
yeah? Which building? All the way in the back.
Yeah, the very back one.
I'll go up to the... Is it? No, wait a minute.
Oh, he's gone too. Yeah. Oh, I used it good. I got all the across the river. Yeah.
Look, that's over. Let's go, hostage. These guys blew. They didn't care about you at all, man.
They did not.
Mason didn't care because I tore
No,
off.
he was up. Mason was over there. And I don't know where he